Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to view hidden comment or replies on your Twitter. It's very easy to do it, so I will just go to my Twitter, or you can just say X now. So here I am on my X, and if I want to see the hidden comments or reply, it's very easy to do it. So for example, let's take Mr. B's post, right? And if I want to see any hidden replies or comments on the post, you will see on the right side there is a three dot, right? So you have to just click on the three dot. Once you click over there, you will get this option of hidden replies, but you can say which I don't know why we are not able to find in this post. Let's try with the another post. If I just click over there, right, is it because we didn't open our post? So first of all, we will have to open the post. Once we open it, have to click on the three dots, and here we will get this option, a new option, which is called view hidden replies, and all the comments or hidden replies will be shown here. So this is how you can just open it. We can do same with the our post too. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, subscribe.